Why does the Middle East, one of the driest deserts on Earth, sit on the world's largest oil reserves? Because this desert used to be an ocean. 150 million years ago, the region was covered by a warm, shallow sea. That sea was overflowing with microscopic plankton. Every day, billions died and drifted to the sea floor. Over millions of years, their remains formed thick layers of organic mud. Then the planet began to move. The Arabian tectonic plate pushed north, colliding with Eurasia. The ancient seabed slowly lifted upward. The sea drained away, rainfall faded, and over millions of years the seabed became desert. But deep underground, another process had already begun. Buried beneath kilometers of rock, the ancient organic layers were heated and compressed. Their molecules slowly transformed into hydrocarbons, crude oil. The oil then migrated through porous rock, moving upward through the earth, until it became trapped beneath solid layers above. So beneath the deserts of Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, and Iraq lies the remains of an ancient ocean.
The Middle East has so much oil, and it was once an ancient ocean. Why isn't oil everywhere on Earth? After all, our planet was mostly covered in oceans, because oil isn't about oceans. It's about rare moments when nature gets everything right. Ancient seas were full of tiny algae and plankton. When they died, they sank to the bottom. In most places, oxygen and sea life destroyed it all. Nothing built up. But in special low-oxygen spots, like the Tethys Sea in the Middle East and the Western Interior Seaway in North America, decay stopped. The dead matter mixed with fine mud on calm seabeds, forming dark layers. Over millions of years, thick layers of sediment piled on top. The enormous weight pressed down while Earth's deep heat slowly cooked the material like a giant pressure cooker. This turned it into liquid oil. Once formed, the oil is light, so it tried to rise through cracks in the rocks. Without something blocking it, it would escape to the surface. Only where solid rock layers and bent underground structures created tight traps did the oil stay locked in place. That's why oil isn't everywhere, because most oceans erase life. Only a few preserve it.